Hi everyone, it's Naya and welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury, fashion, lifestyle, you're going to find yourself right at home here. So go ahead and please hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. All right, let's get right into it. So today's video is going to be a review on I guess you guys can see it here, Hermes Oran Sandals. Okay, so this is my first pair, and this is the color Noir, and it's in box calf skin. I usually keep these inside just so the shoe can keep its shape. I did wear these a lot. Okay, so you guys can see, I've had this pair for about 6 months now. So I wear a size 36, but in these sandals, I actually got a 36 and a half, which I thought at the time that that was a good size. After wearing it for a while, I realized it wasn't as comfortable as it should be. So I decided to go back and get actual 36 because I feel like I'm a true 36 and that fit better. So I'm going to show you the difference between the two. It looks like this. I've worn these a few times as well. I really think this is such a pretty shade of pink. So this is actually the 36. The 6 and the 36 is not a huge difference, but when I'm wearing it, I feel like my foot kind of slips around in the 36 and a half more. It slides off. I've actually been walking and it's literally slipped off my feet completely. When you wear it, you can't really see that 36 and a half is too big for me, but when walking, I can feel the difference. So the actual 36, which is this one, is a lot more comfortable. I'm trying to see if they actually look a little bit bigger or not. Yeah, I'm not sure. So I would say that the Oran sandals are true to size because I'm a 36 and the 36 fit me perfectly. I still do wear the 36 and a half. It's just that I don't wear the 36 and a half when I have to do a lot of walking. If I know I'm going to be out for hours, I'm going to wear the 36 because it's more comfortable and it's fit securely on my feet. I could have returned the 36 and a half and gotten the 36. This is actually my first pair of Orans, so I felt like, okay, it fits my feet, I'm fine. It was only after I actually wore it out that I realized that, it was uncomfortable and something was off. So the people have a lot of different questions about the Oran sandals. I know that before I actually purchased a pair of Orans, I did go online and I did, read a lot of reviews. I watched a lot of videos just to kind of see the different opinions about the shoe because some people say it's comfortable, some people say it's not. But I did decide to go ahead in store and try them on just to see how they fit my feet. It does have the H detail right here. It's comfortable. It's not a soft and fluffy padding. It's still a little bit firm. The top of the shoe is pretty flat, right where your toes will be. It's really flat here and smooth. So it is raised a little bit here, and I guess that's supposed to be for comfort. It doesn't really feel soft to me, but when I'm wearing it, it doesn't feel hard and uncomfortable in any way. Overall, the shoe is comfortable, so I don't have any complaints about comfort. I know also that people were saying that they got blisters and sores on their feet from wearing it. I haven't experienced that either. I haven't had any blisters or sores, just discomfort from my feet rubbing inside. However, it does depend on the type of leather that you get. So this is box calf skin, but the Epsom leather is a bit firmer and it's not as, I guess it's not as smooth and soft and supple, so to say. It's not as supple and soft and smooth as the Epsom. So Epsom is obviously firmer. It's a little bit rough. So maybe that's why with the walking and the friction, that I could see how it could cause blisters, but I haven't had that issue. I do have another pair that is Epsom leather, and I haven't had any issues so far with that, but I haven't worn that pair enough. Later on, I'll do a review on the pair of Hermes shoes that are Epsom leather to let you guys know if I have any issues with that shoe. They have a very classic look that I feel like they go with a lot of outfits. It's very easy for me to match the shoe. It goes with pretty much everything I have. I do like getting in them in different colors just so they match everything. They're a very good sandal for the spring and the summer. If you guys have any questions or comments about the Oran sandal, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below. Let me know if you have the Orans, what do you think of them? And yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.